Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel AliExpress order and get refund. So if you want to cancel AliExpress order and get refund, then open up your AliExpress and open the website, which is www.aliexpress.com. Make sure you are logged into your account, then simply choose any of the product that you would like to order. Tap on this buy now here and simply go to cart, and here you will have all the items that you have added to your cart. Now you need to click on this place order here. You can add a payment method if you don't have yet, or you can simply add the contact and address and confirm once you have ordered something. Like once you have clicked on place order, once you have added your payment methods and everything, you can click on this place order and the order will be placed. But if you want to cancel that order, or if you want to get refund, so in order to cancel, you just need to go for your account here and simply tap on this my orders, and here you will have all of things that you have ordered. Now unfortunately I don't have any orders, but if you want to cancel any order, then simply click on order that you would like to cancel and tap on view details, and you will have all of the details about that order, and under that you will have the cancel order option. So if you want to cancel, just simply tap on cancel order and you are good to go. And then enter a reason why you would like to cancel the order and you can cancel it easily. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.